Okay, so my morning started off thinking that I might rewire these vintage rod pendants that I had gotten from an antique store, and I wanted to run out to the property first to see if anything was going on. And you'll see in another video that things were happening. They're working on Ken's shop, they're putting in water line. So super exciting morning, and then I start talking to the contractor. And usually it's Ken that gets frustrated with things. But there's one thing that will stress me to the max, and that's finances. Got to stay within budget. And if you watched earlier videos where we're discussing the plans with Rick, I can't remember which episode it is, but it's changing plans with the contractor. I overspent on my budget for the front door by a few $1,000s. So we were talking about interior doors for the house this morning. I was talking to Rick about it, and the doors that I've picked out are like double what he quoted, and so I'm stressing. And since I'm on vacation this week and I've got all this spare time on my hands per se, I am taking our plans and I am headed to Lowe's. I am going to go meet with them, look at the size interior doors that we have, see what they have in stock, and see what options I have that fit the farmhouse. So that's my frustration. It's not a bad one. I'd rather know now than to say this is definitely the door and we're going to go with it and then be over budget like we did on the front door. Front door we didn't mind so much. That is the focal point of the house. However, interior, I still want that farmhouse look. There are certain doors that I envision for the house, but most important thing, I'm going to go save some money. Come along with me. Let's go to Lowe's. All right, I'm here. Plans in hand. Let's get this done. Stay within budget. Don't freak out. Hey, I'm LeighAnn.
And I'm Ken.
And welcome to Journeys with Ken and LeighAnn. Today's been a frustrating day for me, but it's been an exciting day too. So it's not all bad. Great things happening at the property, and we'll show you that in another video. But I'm back from Lowe's. I'm going to talk to Ken in this video, and y'all are going to get to see our conversation. Alright, so Rick was at the property this morning, and he said we need to start looking at interior doors, which we've looked at. I said, you know me, I got to stay in budget, and what's the budget? He said $79 to $82.
Okay.
Alright, the doors that we liked, that we've looked at that we liked, are almost double that.
Okay.
So I went to Lowe's, met with Jeremy and David. Show them the picture right here. They were amazing. But they're going to email you a quote. Before you get it, I want you to kind of know what it is.
Okay.
I had them quote every door, so we're going to get a breakdown of all these quotes. But the only door, singular door, they have that fits that price is not a door I like. Now there's some good news and bad news to this. The bad news is you're going to get a quote that doesn't include 4 of the doors we need by email. That's $9,200.
For doors?
That's the rest of the exterior doors for the shop, the garage, and interior doors. There's some things we need to look at and discuss. And talking to Jeremy, these double doors that go into the bathroom and the master bedroom are 18-inch doors that you open one at a time. They're not swinging doors. I don't think we like that. I don't like that. I don't know that you're going to like opening a little bitty 18-inch door to go into. I wonder if we need to look at doing a 36-inch door in place of those.
Absolutely. That's what I thought we had already talked about.
I think so.
No? Okay. No, I didn't. No, matter of fact, I didn't even know that that was a double door. Yeah, absolutely. Just
we
take
didn't
those,
talk about it.
swing out this way.
Just a left swing right there.
Yeah.
And another left swing right there.
Yeah. Those.
I might do a
18-inch
right
doors.
swing there because that way it's not swinging into that. But okay, so we'll do 36-inch doors there. That's going to save us some. I had him quote either what we already knew we were going to change, or and what the plans called for.
Okay.
So I was freaking out, still kind of sort of tweaking a lot. The advantage to this, and this price does not include this, but something for us to know and talk to Rick about, is that these doors starting tomorrow, all doors are 15% off until July the 10th. So I love to save money. So there's some good news and all this stress of today. So if we can get with Rick.
Plus, we get the 10% off after that for mine.
So you'll need to meet him up there because your discount's going to be more than a contractor's discount. So basically 25% off. That's a big savings.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's going to put us quite at what Rick was talking about. And Rick was going off memory. So I think I also need to sit down and talk to Rick and go, really, you can't get a door this size for that amount of money? Because that $79 is a standard door, and some of these doors are not standard.
Yeah.
So we need to kind of figure some of that out. So you're going to get a detailed quote that's going to be over $10,000, and I just wanted you to know that. We know prices now. We know doors. You can maybe see my plans. There's notes written everywhere, things that I need to discuss with Rick and Wayne. But I'm still kind of tweaking, but I really don't like the double doors there. And
That's not a big thing. We'll just change it to a single door, 36-inch doors.
okay.
That's not a big thing.
Okay.
And I would have the door come out right here instead of going into the bathroom.
Okay.
I'm just saying, but we can talk about that.
I like that, and that has it going into the bedroom and not
Yeah.
the bathroom.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, I like
All
that.
right, so-
I've just been like this, so.
Okay, I mean, it's something, but it's not that big of a deal.
It's a big price.
Well, you're pricing the exterior doors too. He told
Right.
you $79 each to $82 for the interior doors. So this is everything included.
Right.
So, and shop doors, garage doors
No.
don't have to be fancy.
I didn't do the garage doors, but I did.
Not the garage doors. I meant like the garage door.
So the door, the 36-inch door on the garage and the carport ED3s, I think they are, they are included in this. I tried to include the French doors. So it's all doors except the garage doors. And having that, we know where to start trimming or looking at options.
That's fine. Like I said, my shop door is a plain metal door. One that, no. Okay, maybe. I'm just saying that, and maybe one with like a window in it or something like that. Something, but I don't need anything
Not
super
that
fancy.
either.
What the heck are you talking about from a workshop door?
It's so cool. You'll love it. Just hang with me, babe.
We're gonna have a problem. This is my workshop.
The exterior appeal, the curb appeal, is mine.
Yeah, okay. All right. Well, we'll talk about that later off camera. All right. Don't freak out. Let's see what we have. It may come out to near what he has quoted. You know.
I just don't think so. There's a lot of dabbling doors in this house.
Well, you know what? We cut other things. We cut the under.
Do you know how much I got to cut for this door that we already bought?
I think he had to have done more than $1,000 for the front door.
Okay.
It was a double door. He had to have. He didn't know. He was just guessing. I told you, let's talk to Ag South and get the contractor pack from Gwen. See what they wrote down for all this stuff, because we saved a bunch of money by not doing the underside of the porch. We're leaving it without
We
anything.
want it to be open with
yeah,
the
we
pillars.
want it to be open
Right,
with just
that's
the
the
pillars.
look.
So that saves thousands, a couple of $1,000s right there, because having that pinned in is very expensive.
And I'm pretty certain they didn't go to 10 feet.
They did not.
I don't even think they
because
went 8.
I'm 6 foot, and it was about a foot longer than mine.
So right here, we'll show you how we measured that. So I have that picture, so
Yeah, I know.
they just saw it. Yeah. We, in the video that we did where we met with Rick and talked about changes and stuff, we talked about making my breezeway. He had it at 8 feet. I wanted it at 12. We compromised at 10.
But
I don't even think it's 8.
I think it's right at 8. I think it's. You got to look. We were looking at the boards, but you can't, or right at the edge of that concrete, or right at the edge of the porch.
The pillar
you don't
porch.
know.
So we'll see.
We'll see.
Anyway, it's going to be beautiful, and we're going to love it. And it's not going to be very often. I hope it's not going to be very often that you see me frustrated. But this is LeighAnn's frustrations today.
And here's what everyone needs to realize: when you're building a house, they give you an estimate of what they think it's going to cost. That is not hard and fast, because they build in like I don't know, like a 15%. We have brought down costs because we didn't have to get the riprap. We brought down costs because we installed those gates ourselves. By those 2 little gate fences, by that alone, we dropped the price $1,000 or more.
Right. So we are doing things to save money, but I think managing a budget means coming in under budget.
Well, he estimated somewhere around $16,000 for the floor, but he did that when we were talking about hardwood. Now we're talking about engineered hardwood,
distressed
engineered hardwood, which is going to cost half of what that. So we're saving money places. So we need to see how it evens out and it comes out. Hopefully, with all this, it'll come out right where we're looking at coming out.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right. So Ken's going to keep me sane.
I don't know about that.
I don't know if they'll be crazy. I'm definitely crazy. And vacation this week, far from beautiful. Probably far from beautiful any day.
Always beautiful.
But I'm also always crazy.
Yes.
So, but that's it for this segment, and we're gonna hopefully be releasing 2 videos back to back. I'm gonna get Ken out to the property so that we can show y'all what they did today. He had a meeting out of town, and since I'm on vacation, I got to go supervise a little bit. All right, so follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Journeys with Ken and LeighAnn. How else do they get us?
Well, all they got to do is go down to the right below here, right down there, and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you know when stuff comes out. Also, we have the links to our Instagram and Facebook in the description. So if you feel like going over to Facebook or Instagram and following us there, we put out pictures all the time and some other stuff, and you may be interested in that.
Maybe I can get Ken to link where we had that discussion with Rick about changes. That was a really important meeting where we did changes, met with Rick on the property and talked about some changes. So we'll put that down below too.
All right, until next time, hope you enjoyed the journey.